welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to analyze repositories using CodeGPT. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to analyze repositories using CodeGPT, then you can simply use a large language, or like you can simply have a model specifically trained or fine-tuned for codes. So this involves several steps, and it is a bit of a task to do so. So first of all, you need to access the repository content, which is like you need a direct access, local clones, or you also need some API integrations. After you have done this, you need to prepare for the code for analysis that has a pre-processing step and context management. Now you need to prompt the code GPT. So if you want to use the code GPT, you need to define the analysis goal. You need to provide context and iterative refinement. After this, you need to interpret the output for review and validate and apply insights. So this is how you can use, or you can simply analyze repositories using CodeGPT. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.